Hello guys. Today in this video we are showing 5 useful websites everyone should know about. This is the first part and there will be more in the future videos. Explore bfunky.com, the free online image editing site. Transform your photos effortlessly with intuitive tools. Just click Get Started and choose your option. And then you will find a lot of editing options. At codecademy.com, learn to code for free. Master programming languages with interactive lessons. Just create a free account and select which kind of coding language you need to learn. Start your coding journey now. Can You Run It is a website to check if your PC can handle the latest games. Get instant results and optimize your gaming experience. Using Can You Run It is easy. Simply visit the website, type in the name of the game you want to play, and click Can You Run It. In seconds, get personalized results on whether your PC meets the game's requirements. It's that simple. Discover new software with alternative to .NET. Find alternatives to your favorite apps and tools based on user recommendations. Just type the software name and scroll down to find alternative softwares. Explore now for smarter choices. CleanPNG is an ultimate resource for transparent PNG images. Find high-quality graphics for your projects quickly and easily. Just search what you need for and click on the image. Then click on the download button to download your image.